Peanut sauce. Peanut sauce. Yeah, I need to have another drink. Hang on.
Can you tell we've been drinking?
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
And I'm Musclehead Kev, and we're the Klar Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro. Hey,
Welcome to Brothers Bistro,
happened, buddy. Did you get my hat?
I don't think this is gonna fit this time. It's too big. Okay, now we're ready to roll.
Yeah. Yours slid right over. It was funny. You got such a big head, it slid right over. It wasn't even a problem. Hey, wait, do we have a show for you today? We have got the full production crew here.
Oh, man.
We're doing the whole thing. Like, we're doing like a full day of shooting. This feels like we're on the star set of Supermarket Sweeps.
Well, it's a little bit better than that.
Okay, today we got what, buddy?
Peanut sauce with grilled chicken.
And broccoli.
Broccoli. So we're gonna do that. It's a really simple recipe, but it's a nice way to spice up your grilled chicken.
Yeah, give us a cheer out there if you hear it.
Yeah. So we're gonna be right back with the ingredients. Stay tuned. Shot 2, take 1.
Wow, dude.
Oh, my prop came apart. Here we go. Here's the ingredients. Look, this isn't too bad.
Dude, this is a little bit more complicated than you said.
All this stuff is sauce. That's
Really?
all. This whole thing is sauce.
Okay.
So let me walk.
He
the
tells
viewers-
me it's a sauce.
Let me walk the viewers through this. The reason I wear my hat like this is because I don't like it when I bend down and they can see my bald spot. If I got the hat on,
I
they
don't
can't
have
see
that
my
problem. I got plenty of hair. I don't know what happened.
Really? Let's see.
Oh, it slid over my head so far because my brother's big head when he took my hat.
Okay, so let me walk you through the sauce. First, we got PB2. This should be a Brothers Bistro product placement, but we didn't have the thing out. But this stuff is
We
amazing.
got it. Hang on. Hold
This
that
stuff
thought.
is amazing. It is basically powdered peanut butter. So, super cool stuff. Product placement, right? We got a little garlic powder. We got a little ginger. Here's our second product placement. This is cool because it's already kind of minced up.
I don't know if you've ever gotten ginger root, but then you got to grate it and you got to get it in there.
Tears were gonna be shed, and we didn't want to shed any. So we got the Garden Gourmet ginger stir-in paste.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we got some stevia. We got that in the packet because we didn't measure it out. It just says the recipe calls for 1 packet, so we just got 1 packet here. We got some. I'm blanking now on the ingredients. Let's see.
Apple cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, and wow, the silence is deafening. Whatever that other one is, and we got
Apple cider
soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, and we got some red pepper flakes to taste.
A pinch will do.
Yeah, if you like it spicy, add a little more. If you don't like it so spicy, you don't
Pretty
like it.
spicy stuff, so you need to be a little bit careful.
Yeah.
Hey, let me talk about the PB2 here.
Okay.
This is the fit PB2. I don't know what the unfit PB2 is, but this one says PB2 fit. So
Yeah, well, because it's got more protein. I think they added in protein somehow. I don't know how they added in. It's a magical mystery of modern science. But
8 grams of protein. So that's good. Now I'm the grill guy, so I'm gonna take our chicken, and we didn't measure it out yet. Why? Well, because we gotta cook it out. We gotta do it after we cook it, right?
We got to do what after we cook?
Measure it, weigh it.
Yeah, that's right.
Right.
Because you're gonna get some shrinkage.
So, wow, talk about shrinkage. That's kind of personal.
Hey, I wasn't talking about your hairline. It's
Okay.
all good.
Now can we work through the broccoli?
Yeah, we can work through the broccoli. We finally figured out what we were gonna have as a veggie along with our grilled
This is our
chicken.
green. Check it out.
Yeah,
It's you can even see the icicle still
that's
on
right.
it.
We didn't. No tears were shed over this stuff.
It's froze.
We got it right out of the frozen section. It works out great. As a single guy, it works out particularly good because this stuff will go bad in like 3-4 days, right? But
If it's fresh.
if it's frozen, it'll last weeks.
Month. I've seen it. You've seen it come out of your thing in months. All right, we're gonna add a little salt.
Is that kosher salt?
It is.
You know what the difference is between kosher salt? The granules are a little bit bigger.
Yeah. I thought it was the priest.
Well, they probably bless it or something like that too, I'm sure.
All right, got a little
but
pepper.
The main thing is, and then we're gonna cheese it up, baby.
Give me some of that cheese.
Okay, let you dig in there.
Okay. And then it's going. And then it's gonna go in the oven at 400, and it's gonna cook until brown. And
Yeah,
it's
we're not really cooking it. We're basically just warming it. a little bit.
We are.
Well, I mean, more or less. The cheese is gonna melt though, and it's gonna be crispy goodness.
Yep, it'll be good. So hang tight with me. We're going in the oven. Did you hear that?
No, I didn't.
That was
hear
the timer.
Well, it was so I couldn't hear.
It was super quiet.
Yeah. Oh,
That's right. That's right.
Yeah,
Okay, hang on. Let me turn it off and let me get this stuff out.
I'm gonna cut this in little strips so you can dip it, because that's what this is all about. This is about the dippage.
It is.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna serve up the broccoli.
There she blows.
Wow. And we got our little dipping sauce to go
we got
there.
a
Look at
little
that.
dipping sauce.
How
Yeah.
good that looks.
And that peanut sauce, I think you can add more water to the peanut sauce, and it'll make it a little more runny, so you can kind of feel out how much water it needs. This is a little on the thicker side, a little bit like almost like a peanut butter. It could be a little thinner. We could have added a little more water.
It's amazing though that powder turned into peanut butter.
Well, a whole bunch of other ingredients too, right?
Yeah.
It's a good one, and it's relatively easy. I mean, it's basically just grilled chicken with a little peanut sauce on the side while you're waiting for your chicken to grill. And whip up a little sauce.
If you don't want the peanut sauce, you don't have to have it because it's pretty tasty just the way it is.
Yeah.
So if you don't want to take the time to do all the mixing, you can just season up some chicken and have it at it.
That's right.
But it actually is super good.
It's
peanut
very
sauce,
good.
pretty
Yeah.
good.
So check it out. Let us know in the comments. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. Hit the subscribe button.
And give us a big thumbs up. Until next time, Brothers Bistro, out.